Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
I will show how to use USB tethering without allowing device charging. Tethering normally uses the same USB connection for data and power. Standard USB supplies 5V and commonly 500M to 1A from a host port. To prevent charging, you can use a data-only cable or a USB data blocker that disconnects the 5V VBus line. You can also use software methods to disable charging negotiation when available. Choose the method that matches your phone, host, and technical comfort level. First, plug a data-only cable or USB data blocker between phone and computer. These adapters physically disconnect the 5V VBus wire so the phone cannot draw power. Alternatively, use a powered OTG hub and route external power to peripherals without feeding the phone. Measure the connection with a USB current meter that reports M to confirm the phone draws minimal current. Never cut wires on a cable unless you know electronics and insulation safety practices. On Android, enable USB tethering in settings and enable developer options to access USB configuration. Set the USB mode to tethering or RRendis while avoiding charge modes like MTP or charging only. Some third-party apps can request charge disable commands, but they typically require root privileges to work reliably. Always monitor the connection with a USB meter to watch voltage and current. Confirm the voltage stays near 5V, and that current reads near 0.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.